We are Pia and Sean with our three little dogs, and welcome to our van life with our storyteller overland to discover amazing places. In this episode, we encounter more problems with our van's power system after just getting it fixed. Join us on this journey as we go camping at Kings Canyon National Park, and thank you for watching.
Kind of get a brief overview of what's going on, but you turn on your system and your screen says inverter bypass.
Yep.
And that's without it plugged in, and then when you plug it in, it says standby load or...
Yes, it says standby load since the bypass, the inverter power toggle was grayed out. Now it's no longer grayed out. But when I go to the home screen, it's now saying SOC is dead, whereas previous it was showing 80%, and it looks like it's just like the pack temp is like a nonsensical number as well. And when it automatically went to standby mode, the inverter itself is not on. Like the microwave and the AC and everything won't work
while it's plugged in.
Yeah, while it's plugged in. It's the first time we booted up the Volta since we got it home from you guys. So everything on non-inverter powered up no problem, and then this just today was the first time we turned the inverter on, and that's when it went into bypass mode.
What I would do, if you're plugged in the shore, I would turn it off and then unplug it from the shore, and then go inside and trace the system on, being unplugged from the shore, and let's see what it does. Okay.
That it reset back to, well, you guys had it in maintenance mode or something.
Yeah, we wouldn't really have had it in. There is a little big power down.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Working on the main power harness there.
Okay. Well, we did get a change on the reboot. The inverter did turn on. The microwave did turn on. Now it is showing status of inverter on, powering from RV storage pack, without the bypass mode. Would that be the troubleshoot method? Is get it on shore power, turn it off, let it get out of bypass mode on its own while it's on shore power type of thing?
The shore power, lately I've kind of been playing around with that. I don't think there's any real correlation there, but basically getting a good reset off of the step. If it's like that, it's active weird, the first thing I would do was just shut it down, give it 15, 20 seconds, then turn it back off, and see if that on clears.
Okay.
If it does, it probably just logged up. Volta.
Gotcha. We are in Sunset Campground. There's a slight view of the sunset. I'm going to try to find the big old trail that's supposed to be over there. But we have spot 118. Our family's showing up tomorrow. That's spot 119. And we got a pretty cool little area to explore up here with the chihuahuas up this hill. Come on, puppies. So this campground was almost fully unbooked a week before Labor Day because it just reopened. We got our new day lodge cooking apparatus nicely on the door and put all of our cooking stuff to the side so we don't have to put any weight on our table. Got multiple tables going now. We are here today at Kings Canyon, which thankfully is in a good air quality. As you can see behind me, there's a big old smoke cloud from the forest fire in Sequoia National Park right now, but word is it's getting close to contained and we don't have to worry about it over here. There's pretty good air quality, but it's sunset, and this is Sunset Campground. We haven't stayed here before. It actually recently reopened, so we were able to snag a couple campsites for us and some family arriving tomorrow. And as you can see, we got a sunset coming in right off the cliff. So just behind me, there's a big old cliff view and a trail that you can take to go watch the sunset. And we have a big old granite playground behind us with trees and all kinds of cool stuff. So big sequoia that's down right behind us. And we are getting set up, about to cook up a little fried fish rice bowl. And we have Pia here. She just set up our new little cooking array that we'll be showing you more about. And we're excited to spend Labor Day weekend up here in the mountains. It's about like low 70s, high 60s, and really nice climate compared to most of the other spots. So keep watching and stay tuned. Alright, we got some black cod going tonight. Gonna be over rice. Smells really good. Got some lemon, salt, pepper, garlic, some dill. Already did the flip. Got some peppers, grilled peppers. Gonna do some kimchi over rice. And probably a little sriracha mayo. So very easy. Doing a fish on the first night camping is becoming our trend, so that get it out of the fridge. Nice. And always a nice and easy meal. This black cod turned out super buttery and flaky. It smells amazing. So now we're gonna assemble. We got pre-cooked rice from yesterday, a little kimchi, spicy, and that has some red peppers in it. Got some orange pepper grilled for a hot elemental crunch. Hey, here's the final product: kimchi, cod, black cod, sriracha mayo, peppers, and rice. Good morning, and it's brunch time here at the Van Doggies Campground in Sunset Campground in Kings Canyon National Park. We got some avocado toast in action. We got the chihuahuas hanging out. And it's a beautiful day. It was supposed to be a little bit cooler up here, but we're weathering. It's supposed to be about like 80 today, 82. And our spot is really nice. We have a big area kind of in between us and a trail, so not too many people walking through. Some semblance of privacy here with all the sequoias and boulders and granite up behind us. It's really a beautiful area. It's a little hazy, but as you can see behind, there's not a big plume of smoke like there was yesterday. So it seems like the wind has knocked out the smoke a bit over in Sequoia. And we might drive over there today or tomorrow to check out how it is. How do you guys make your toast camping? We got it right on a grill pan, and it turns out pretty good. It smells amazing. A little salt, pepper, garlic for the eggs. Got the avocado toast, a little extra. And brunch will be served shortly.